So based on the stem structure, the plants are classified into 5 different types. For example, you can observe this one. Trees, for example, mango. Next, coming to rice. Rice is example for herb. Not herb, herb. Rice is example for herbs. Next, rose. Rose it is example for shrubs. Next, watermelon. For example, watermelon is example for creepers. Next, bitter gourd. You can observe this. Bitter gourd is example for climbers. So this is the useful TLM for classification of plants based on stem structure. Thank you one and all.